everybody, thank you for tuning in. This is Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a decorating video on how I decorated some of my tickets that I made in the previous video with the perforated edges. These still need to be decorated, but I've got a couple examples here. You can do them vertically or you can do them horizontally depending on what you want to make. And so I'm just going to get started. I'm probably going to put music to the background of this because it might take me a while, and I'll probably fast forward a couple parts because I will. everybody. I think that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up and cut off the excess edges around the back. So I'll probably glue that down a little bit better. I kind of like that side sticking out a little bit. I'll cut this one. And all you have to do to get your ticket edges back is to go ahead and take your hole punch and punch right back through. And since it is so thin, the doilies that I used, you might have to rip it a little bit, but it'll be all right. Just go through and punch your holes back, and I think that's it. So here is my completed tickets that I just decorated. I hope that you enjoyed this little craft with me, and I hope that you continue to support my channel by subscribing, and don't forget to hit that like button. Bye!